We're here in Collegetown Center. We're on the 5th floor at the east end of the hallway. We're going into this apartment immediately on our left. This is apartment 524. This is a rectangle style studio apartment on the north side of the building. Let's go on in. So like most of our kitchens here in the building, we will enter. Our kitchen is on the left in this even number studio. You can see our cabinets. There are drawers, the refrigerator, dishwasher and sink, microwave, and the electric stove and oven. Here in these even number studios, I think there's some nice space along this wall on the left to have a shoe rack, a narrow shelf or a narrow table in here for some additional storage items in your apartment. As we go into the apartment, this door on the left will be our closet. Let's take a look in there. We have some good closet space in here. There's actually a lot of room in that closet. Our room is here ahead of us, and we'll take a look at the bathroom, which is on our right. As we come around, here's our bathroom. So you can see the tub shower with the sliding door. There's the vanity and the sink that does open for more storage. The toilet, you can see the medicine cabinet I have open today, so we can kind of get a look at that extra small cabinet there as well. And we've got some towel racks here. The mirror in the bathroom, and there's a fan overhead. Let's go into the apartment. You can see the light pretty well on the wall here. So the apartments will always have a wall light. You can bring in your own task lighting if you like. Studio apartments will always have the dining table and chair, and then our other furniture, the desk and chair, the bookshelf, and the dresser. We have everything arranged along one wall here. It's a good idea to watch more videos so you can see some different ideas for how to arrange the furniture within the apartment. So this way is all along one wall for most of the items. So that's a unique way. It gives you, I think, some good floor space in the center of the room. As we go over to the window, we're on the 5th floor of this 6th floor building, so we're pretty high up. We're on the Dryden Road side of the building, so we have great people watching out here in Collegetown. You can see over to our right, that's the intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road. That's the main intersection of our vibrant Collegetown neighborhood, and from there we are just one block to campus. And if we go to the left, we can see a little bit down Dryden Road. We're in the 100 block of Dryden Road at 151 Dryden Road. You can see the air conditioner below the window. So that's a look at Collegetown Center Studio Apartment 524. We're in a rectangle style apartment on the north side of this building here at 151 Dryden Road in Collegetown Center, just one block from campus.